Now, of course, we can add or remove values from a dictionary just as we can with a list. We can use pop or delete to remove values. If we have tuples or lists inside a dictionary, we can use all of those same methods that we used on tuples and lists on these internal data structures too. Right? Before they existed external from a dictionary, but we can use them internally as well. We need access to this D1 dictionary that we created up here, so let's run this. And now that D1 dictionary should be available to us. Let's output it so we can see what we have. Alright, that looks familiar from our last lesson. Actually adding a new key value pair to a dictionary is quite easy. You just say a D1 and then you define what your new key is going to be, and it's going to equal a value. So here's a new string key we're going to add, and then we're going to do the same thing with the list key, and we're going to add this list of floats. Let's run this and then output D1 to see the changes. Okay, so here's a new key and a new value, and here's our second new key and our second new value. We can also use pop on a dictionary. However, unlike with lists, we cannot leave the pop parameter empty. We have to put in the target of our operation. So let's pop that new list key off of there. Now, interestingly, when we use pop on a dictionary, it's going to return that list for us. So it popped it off and returned it. Let's look at what we have left. Let's put a new code cell down here and output D1 again. And the new list key is gone, but we have gotten it out of here. So actually we could have put that into a variable and kept it and used it. Delete, it removes the value, but it doesn't return anything. Let's remove the new, what was it? What do we call it? New string key? Yeah. Let's remove the new string key. So delete did the same thing as pop, only delete did not return the value that was deleted, but pop does return the value that was deleted. So that's the difference. Now with delete we can get more sophisticated in our operation because we can define a very specific value that we want to delete. We're going to delete from the favorite food key, and we're going to delete the second value. It looks like we're going to delete the candy bar, right? And then we're going to output that and see if it actually works. So let's run this. Okay, look, candy bar has been deleted. Now I'd encourage you to play with this, explore this, and try different variations to get used to these operations because they're going to be very powerful for us later. We can also use this update function to merge two dictionaries. So we're creating one dictionary of first names and another dictionary with some stats in it. And then we're going to merge the two of them into dictionary 1. So dictionary 1 is the names, dictionary 2 is the stats. Let's run this and see what we get back. Well, that's created one dictionary out of it. First name, last name, age, weight, and favorite foods. And finally, we're going to look at the get method and compare that to this pop method that we've already looked at. So the get method will return the value of a dictionary key just in the same way that pop does, but the get method will not remove that value. So let's pop favorite food off of here and let's again see what we get. Right, so it returned burgers and pizza, but it also removed that favorite food. Down here, let's use the get function instead of the pop function. We can't use it on favorite food anymore, so let's just use it on, I don't know, age. And it should return it. But if we now explore this again, age is still here. So once again, pop will return the value, but it will also delete it. Get will return the value and not delete it.